Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing another one of my trying the trend videos where I recreate a trending makeup look on Instagram. So pretty much I just observe what's going viral makeup wise and I recreate it. So for this one we are doing the INSTACEPTION, I believe is what it's called, makeup look, and this has been trending for like a couple days now. And let me just show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, she has like a whole Instagram page. Like when you're scrolling through your home page and you come across a picture, that's what you'll see pretty much. So that's like on her eye, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm gonna be recreating today. And this is inspired by Vasanti, and I think the original makeup look is by Abby Roberts Artistry, and this is what hers is. And I believe she got inspired by Dom Ski. He did pretty much what everyone's doing on their one eye on his whole face. So, and then she made it a trend to do it on just one eye. So I'm just going to be doing that look today. And since this is an Instagram makeup look, I'm going to be doing Instagram inspired, like the Instagram app inspired colors for this look. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. And before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and also have your post notifications turned on, because I'm having a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So please just simply subscribe if you're new to my channel and you like my content, and again hit that notification bell because you'll be notified every time that I upload. Alright, so to start off, as you can see I only have one brow done. That's because we're doing one eye, so that's why I have one brow done, because we're doing one eye only. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain and I'm gonna prime my eyes with that. And guys, I cannot wait because I ordered the P. Louise base, the base that everyone loves, and I only ordered it because I want to see what the hype's about, because I heard it's a very great base for colorful eye looks and I just really wanted to try it out for myself. So I cannot wait when it comes in the mail to try it out, because honestly I'm getting tired of using the same concealer as a base, and I know you guys are from watching me use the same concealer as a base. So when I get the P. Louise base, I'm going to definitely switch it up. And I'm just going to let that set for a little bit. Set as in like wait a little bit to have it dry down and get tacky, not set with a powder or anything, because when you set with a powder it makes it dry and the shadows pop up very dull, but when you don't set, it gives the shadows something to stick to, so it makes it bright and pigmented. So since I let that dry down, I'm going to take the Karity matte palette and I'm going to take that shade called Lumbia and I'm going to pop that into the inner part of my crease. And I'm taking that with a Morphe M330 brush. And I'm just packing in the color and then blending out, because when you pack on it builds up the pigmentation, and when you blend out it just gives it that seamless finish. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the shade Alexi in the palette and I'm going to pop that right next to the hot pink. Alright, and then I'm going to take the purple color, Ego, and I'm going to apply that to the outer part of my crease. I'm just blending it in with the other colors so it makes a nice seamless blend. I'm going back in with the shade Alexi and I'm going to just blend the two, pink and the purple, together so it's like right in the middle. And then taking more of Lumbia and putting that right in the inner corner again, just to build up that color, because it washed out from blending the other colors. Alright, now I am going to cut the crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease, and I am going to just cut the crease with the same concealer that I had, the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to cut my crease. And if you're new to my channel and you've never learned this tip, all you do is just take a little bit on your eye, look up right and left, and then it creates a guideline. I kind of messed up a little bit, to be honest, but it creates a guideline on to cut the crease. Be a little bit more careful though, because as you can see I messed up. Alright, and then I'm going to switch to my Makeup Shack T72 brush, and I'm just going to make the cut more precise. Okay, so I'm just going to let that dry down for a little bit, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, next up I'm going to take the yellow shade from the Karity palette, the shade Tweety, and I am just going to apply that to the inner part of the cut crease. And then I'm taking that with a BeBella Cosmetics RG221 brush, which is pretty much just a flat brush to pack on color. Alright, and then I'm going to take the shade Enchant from the same palette, and I'm going to apply that right next to the yellow. And I'm applying that with a Quivange brush that I got in a brush set from Amazon, and yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to apply some orange just to like mellow things out because it looks very harsh. So I'm going to take the shade Vegas from the palette and just pop that right in between the blue and the yellow just to see if things will blend out nicely. If it doesn't, I'll try to make something work. Okay, lastly we're going to take the shade Phantom from the Karity palette and we are going to pop that into the outer part of the cut. I'm just going to use a regular blending brush. I'm going to use the Vasanti brush, my beloved Vasanti brush that I got in an Ipsy bag from like a year ago. I love this brush to death. It is perfect for blending out any crease colors, so I'm just going to take the shade Phantom and blend that in the outer corner. So to match the whole Instagram logo, I am going to apply the NYX White Liner, and I'm just going to pretty much outline the whole cut crease. So I'm not even going to bother priming my skin because it's just one square of my face, so I'm just going to go straight into the foundation. I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation in the shade 9.75, and I'm just going to apply that in this like as square as possible around this eye, if that makes any sense. And I'm just applying that with my beauty sponge that I got from BeBella Cosmetics. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep, and I'm just going to carve out, like clean up my messy eyeshadow just to make it more sharper. Okay, so since that's all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and take a makeup wipe, well, a makeup cleanser pad. I'm just taking the Almay makeup remover wipes. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take Phantom for the lower lash line, and I'm just going to pop that there and blend it out. So I'm just going to take this face paint that I had like for years and years, and I just never used it, and now I'm finally putting it to use. So I'm just going to take the white shade that's in there. Guys, isn't it coming together? Doesn't it look like there's like a whole Instagram post on my freaking face? Doesn't it? This is the completed look. So pretty much for the actual icons, like the heart, the save button, the comment button, and like my username on top, that is pretty much just going to be edited in. So I'm just going to use the app PicsArt and I'm just going to edit it in, and then I'm going to show you the pictures in a couple seconds. So here is the finished result. Alright, I'm going to actually show you how to use the app. So I just took the app PicsArt. Make sure you have it downloaded. It's that, you know, blue and pink rainbow app, and just download that. So pretty much all I did was go to add photo, and I have my screenshots of my icons, my username and the icons. I just screenshotted it, and pretty much you just take the username screenshot, add it in the picture, and then you take the eraser tool and just erase all around all the extra white stuff, and make sure that it turns into somewhat like a PNG image. So you just erase it around the photo and your username, and then if you want to, you can adjust it so that it fits the white border perfectly, and that's what I just did there. And then you add photo again and go through all your pictures and add the same thing, and this time I'm going to be erasing around the 3 black dots. So I am erasing around the 3 black dots. So make sure you get it nice and precise so that none of the, you know, white stuff is around it, because that just makes it look unnatural. So that's pretty much what I'm doing, is erasing around the white stuff. So I'm just going to, again, adjust it to fit it perfectly inside the border, and I'm just erasing it more and more until it's perfect. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. So we're going to go to add photo again, go through all your pictures, and you're going to go to the icon part where you see the like button, the comment button, the share, and all that stuff. So you pretty much just do the exact same thing. You just erase around the heart and the icons, make it look like it's a PNG image, and that's what I'm doing right here. So that's pretty much it. And I did the exact same things off, you know, video, if that makes sense. And that's pretty much the tutorial. That's all you do. Okay, so there you guys have it. This is the completed look. Doesn't it look like a whole Instagram post on my eye? Like, it is crazy. And plus the eye art, like the eye shadow, is inspired by the Instagram app. But this is the completed look, and this is a completed video. So if you liked it, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 800 subscribers by the end of August, so please subscribe. I'm also having a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so just hit the subscribe button and turn on those post notifications, and you will be automatically entered into my future 1K giveaway. Please comment down below whether you like this video or you hated it. I don't care. Also leave some suggestions below on some future videos I can make for you guys. I'm probably gonna do one more trying the trend video, so shoot me up a DM in my Instagram, whatever look you want me to be inspired by, and I'll recreate it. So yes, that's pretty much all I have to say. Also share this video, please. I'm trying to spread the word about my YouTube channel, so if you truly support me, support your girl, and share this video for me so that it can reach more people, I'd highly appreciate it. So that's pretty much all I have to say. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Another one of my trying the trend videos where I recreate a trending makeup look. Sheesh, I can't even talk. Alright, now I am going